lovely session of string hoppers. Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Dosa Pizza. I am Constant Jaykumar. String hoppers are done with the rice flour and they are steam cooked. So they are going to be the healthiest recipe because it's really even the patients can eat this. It's a lovely and a yummy dish. Let's do this simple, easy string hoppers. For the string hoppers, the consistency of the dough is very important. This dish has already left many of our houses because it's so difficult to get it. That is what we get the complaints, like, they are not able to press it and it doesn't come easily in the press or something like that. But if you're going to follow these steps one by one, then definitely you're going to get the right string hoppers at your home. For this, I'm using the store-bought rice flour, which is straight away it's written as Idiyappam flour or dumpling flour or something like that. You can buy that flour and use it, or we can prepare it at home. And for this preparation, we will be again releasing a video shortly on how to prepare this flour at home. Now, with this flour, we have to follow some steps. We are going to see that. Very long ago, we had published a video on the same string hoppers and we had given all these tips. But because it's a very old video, we thought we will reshoot the same thing. So let's have a small test to find out whether this flour has been roasted well. Now only the bottom place, the surface will be hot. So on the top thing, I am taking the flour. So I am able to draw lines. Otherwise what will happen is they'll be sticky and they don't form proper lines if they are not roasted well. Now let's go to the next important criteria. Heat a vessel. Now let's add 1.5 times of water to the flour. So what will happen is then only you get the right consistency. If you're going to add little lesser, then you don't get the right consistency. They become very thick. If you add more, but if the flour is roasted well, even if it is more, what will happen is they will absorb the water. But just to avoid confusion, I am doing 1.5 times of water. Add some salt. See, note this point, very important. The water should boil completely like this. After that, we are going to remove it from stove. Add the roasted flour. See, I've added 1.5 cups and can you see it's become thick. So it will be a little difficult for me to squeeze it out. So as mentioned earlier, we can go for the 1:2 proportion. So now I'm going to heat another half glass of water and add it to this. Can you see? It's done. We have the dough ready. So it's very hot. Just a few minutes, let it get a little warm. Meanwhile, we can prepare the other things. So here I have the press. This is the old traditional one which is made out of wood, and there is a copper metal here with very tiny holes. Whereas this is the latest one where you have this size of holes, and this is available in the normal regular shops. Grease it nicely with oil. You can either use Idiyappam plate or idli plate. Now grease your hands lightly with oil. Take a small portion of dough. It should not be completely cold, or it need not be very hot. But if it is warm, it will be easier for you to press it. Now put it into the press. I was able to just press it down very easily because the consistency of the dough was very nice and perfect. Now the string hoppers are ready, so let's steam it for 10 minutes. Now we can steam it in the regular cooker without the pressure weight or into the other regular idli steaming vessel. let's look into our string hoppers. So they are beautifully ready to be served. Dear friends, this simple and easy string hoppers is ready to be served. Now you will have to just concentrate on small steps to get it right and simple. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Pizza, and for your printable recipes visit dosapizza.com. Thank you and bye-bye.